Crystal tripping. He trying to knock that shit down, that beehive up there.
So Ron, where was you at? You was at work?
Yeah. You gonna break your fucking window.
I don't know.
You go ahead and do it again.
Nah, I'm gonna have to get a ladder and get up here.
No, you can hit it with a rock. You gotta aim that shit.
Oh no, I can't throw worth of shit.
Give me a rock.
No, it's alright. I know what to do. You know what I'm gonna do?
What?
I'm gonna get somebody. I bet I know somebody. I'm gonna get a ladder. You get a ladder.
So you gonna knock it down by your hand?
No, take a stick and knock it. It's a nest though, ain't it?
It look like a beehive.
That thing is ugly. Give me the shit. And what they do, what they make that out of?
I don't know.
That's what fucks with me. I don't see what could make some shit like that. And I don't never see them. Look, they got a hole in the middle, right?
Yeah.
I don't never see them come in and out.
He said that shit is spooky.
Yeah.
Go throw another rock at it one more time.
I can't throw this shit no more.
Oh, shit.
That shit's crazy. There's always some bad luck on my motherfucker. I'm gonna have to get somebody